Welcome to our exploration of the vast and dynamic world of digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels, platforms, and technologies to promote and advertise products, services, or brands. Key component: SEO focuses on optimizing websites to improve their visibility in search engine results, ensuring your content is easily found by your target audience. Harnessing the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement. Creating valuable and relevant content to attract and retain a specific audience, establishing your brand as an authority in your industry. Utilizing email campaigns to communicate with potential and existing customers, promoting products, and nurturing customer relationships. Running targeted ads where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked, a powerful method for driving traffic and conversions. Digital marketing. Digital marketing offers businesses a cost-effective way to reach a global audience, track performance in real time, and adapt strategies for optimal results. However, challenges such as data privacy issues and increasing competition necessitate a strategic approach for success. In conclusion, understanding and mastering digital marketing is crucial for businesses in the digital age, enabling them to thrive and stay ahead in the ever-evolving online landscape. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fundamentals of digital marketing. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Your digital presence.